Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Trump says US has struck trade deal with Japan. Protest in Ukraine as Zelensky signs bill targeting anti-corruption bodies. Africa to be hit hard as UK foreign aid cuts revealed. Number of missing in deadly Texas floods drops to 3. Texas GOP lawmakers lead summer sprint to redraw US House maps and address deadly floods. Let's look into detail. President Donald Trump says the US has agreed to a massive trade deal with Japan, one of the country's largest trading partners. Japan has agreed to invest $550 billion in the US while its goods sold to America would be taxed at 15% when they reach the country, below their 25% tariff Trump had threatened. Trump said on social media that Japan would open its economy to US goods including cars, trucks, rice, and certain agricultural products. President Zelensky has signed a bill that critics say weakens the independence of Ukraine's anti-corruption body, sparking protest in several critics and drawing international criticism. The new law grants the Prosecutor General control of the National Anti-Corruption Bureau and Specialized Anti-Corruption Prosecutor's Office, and critics say it undermines their authority. In an address on Wednesday, Zelensky said both agencies would still work but needed to be cleared of Russian influence. The government has revealed details of its plans to cut foreign aid with support for children's education and women's health in Africa facing the biggest reductions. The government said in February it would slash foreign aid spending by 40% from 0.5% of gross national income to 0.3% to increase defense spending to 2.5% after pressure from the US. The number of people missing in Texas after devastating floods hit the state has dropped from 160 people to 3, officials said. The flash floods following a torrential downpour on 4 July killed 135 people including children at Camp Mystic, a Christian all-girls summer camp along the Guadalupe River. Dozens of others were reported missing, but on late Saturday, the city of Kewell, at the heart of the disaster, reported that many had been verified as safe. Texas Democrats showed up Monday for a special session but left open the possibility of walking out as a means to derail an unusual summer redrawing of U.S. House maps that would help protect Republicans' slim majority in the 2026 elections. President Donald Trump wants Republicans in the coming weeks to engineer as many as 5 more winnable congressional districts in Texas, a high-risk, high-reward redraw that would put them on better footing before the midterm elections when the party of the incumbent president often loses House seats. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and don't forget to watch our channels Desi Urdu TV and DTV NN.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building KindR, a world-class hospital with 130-plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.